Hi everybody, it's Heather from the Nocatee Welcome Center, and I am back with Mark. You guys know him of Providence Homes by Bill Seller, and guess what? Providence Homes has a quick move-in ready for you today. I'm so excited for you to show this home, and we are in the beautiful 50th community called Reflections at Seabrook. So I'm excited to see this home, and look at the elevation first of all.
The outside of this house is just drop dead gorgeous. It's our Key West. It's the Morrison plan by Providence. Features over 3,300 square foot, 5-bed, 4.5 bath, sprawling ceilings, lots of surprises. Let's just get right in here and check it out. The house is ready now, so anybody looking to move into a brand new gorgeous home beginning of the new year, come on out and let's take a look at it. So as we enter, we've got a spacious gallery area with some nice trim work or some shiplap on the wall. Features a high level of trim detail throughout with window casing, flat stock trim, shiplap, built-in cabinets, everywhere you go.
I'm noticing a lot of attention to detail, and when Carling and I first walked in here, we immediately said to Mark, it felt like a model home. Yeah. You will see as we go throughout this, that every piece of hardware, all of the appliances, Providence Homes spared no expense for this quick move-in, and I'm excited for the home buyer because this location in Reflections at Seabrook, of this particular home site, we're on a preserve. And so you're gonna have a beautiful view in your backyard. Can't wait for you to see it. You're gonna see lots of natural light as we come in. And that laundry room, by the way, is huge.
Yeah, so
huge laundry
as you
room.
come in, we got the gallery, the greeting area, and then as Carling showed, we have a front bedroom. It's the 5th bedroom. It also works very well as a home office for all of our friends who work from home. And you got a full bathroom and then a luxurious laundry room right in that front space. As you go to your left, we've got our built-in mudroom cabinets and just a total bonus, an air-conditioned storage closet, which, you know, we love our storage.
I love that y'all did that. Because,
Yeah,
I mean, that was something we weren't expecting. So plenty of storage that you're gonna see. And again, you've got your half bath down here. So when you are entertaining, have guests coming, it's great to have their own bathroom. And as Mark said, we've already passed a front bedroom. So whether that's for your guests, whether that's just, you could use as a home office, playroom, doesn't matter.
Absolutely.
And then also the primary bedroom is on this first floor because a lot of the buyers are saying, I want at least my primary bedroom.
Plus an extra bonus bedroom. So this has 2 bedrooms, 2.5 baths down. But the keynote, the actual absolutely gorgeous piece of this house is the main living space. This features one of the largest family rooms we have in all of our lineup. So we've also done the executive chef kitchen as we pan around. I don't think they spared any expense. Super high-end appliances. It's the GE Cafe line. Soft closed dovetail drawers, just very striking, clean, crisp, kind of the mixed metals with the gold brushed gold knobs and the stainless steel appliances.
Great walk-in pantry, beautiful wood shelving. And then you're noticing also different colors. You know, you've got your white cabinets and then the upper cabinets all the way to the ceiling. But then, Carling, if you don't mind, when you do pan to the island, you're gonna see this beautiful hint of, it's like almost a chocolate brown. I'm trying, is there
They call it like a burlap or a buckskin. It's almost like a buckskin color.
And then just again, the hardware, the attention to detail. Love this deep sink. Can't say enough. But also the space in between the island and your cooking space where your gas top, because Reflections at Seabrook is a gas community. But look at this, I mean, just a huge amount of space. I mean, this is just tons of space, the beautiful quartz countertop, and also even just right here, look at the rounded corners, step, I mean, just again, elevated.
Yeah, just even the detail of having a tan veining with the gray veining. You've got kind of the gray and the tan and the floor and the cabinetry. It's really pulled together well. This cafe area, I mean, I think
huge.
Qualifies as a dining hall. It's got to be over 15, 16 feet long, no matter what size farmhouse table you have. Extra credenza, this space will fit it all.
And this is a type of space that you could put like Mark is saying, a dining table, but with the extra leaves so that this could fit 12 people, guys. I mean, that's how long and big the space is. And then look at your view. Again, that preserve view from this Providence home that is available for you to move in. You could be here for New Year's, folks.
You could. We're available. One thing I didn't mention as you walked in, I know we kind of got a picture of it, but this ceiling, guys, vaults to over 14 feet, maybe 15 feet, and it's trimmed out with absolutely gorgeous white painted beams. And again, ties in with all the rest of the trim in the house. So you've got a media niche in the family room. I think you could have easily 20 or 30 people in this space and just having a grand time.
Absolutely.
The backyard, the gorgeous wooded preserve area is bracketed with these fantastic sliders. So you got a real crystal clear view out back. For anybody who wants to add the pool, there's plenty of depth to build a custom pool. We're all pre-plumbed for a summer kitchen. So all the pieces are here to really finish it out.
And then these are sliders, and they can go collapse into one side, the other, dead center. Absolutely love it. I've seen people, I've been to parties where they put it in the center and they kind of have like the walk in, walk outside. But this home is going to sell fast. And what's great about Providence Homes, I want to just remind everyone, and you can find this online, they have a lot of inventory homes. They went ahead when Reflections was announced and they said, hey guys, we want our buyers to be in here now. We don't want them to have to wait.
Yeah.
So they have built some of their magnificent floor plans to have in this 50th and final community in Nocatee.
So this is one of many available between right now and the first part of next year. So you have a lot to choose from, different sizes, different levels, 1 stories, 2 stories, preserve. I think we have a little bit of everything right now. Another key feature of every Providence home, which is always, a very important piece of buying a home, is energy efficiency, comfort, cleanliness. So the 3-part attack that Providence builds in every home is a certified Energy Star certification on every home. We also do an Indoor Air Plus, ensuring the air quality and the health of the air. And then the icing on the cake is the spray foam in the attic that keeps, again, wind-driven rain out, the pests out, and it keeps the entire attic cool so you're not getting heat gain, and your home runs way more efficient than a code-built home. So every single one of those items are built into every home. Outside of the gorgeous aesthetic behind the walls, it is the best built home.
And Providence is award-winning, and they've been nationally recognized
year
for
over
being
year.
Energy Star.
Yeah.
So when you have questions and you're saying, what is Mark talking about, and you really don't know, when you contact Mark, he can sit down and explain that to you, because that is something that makes Providence Homes by Bill Seller stand out as a terrific home builder. And we are thrilled that they've been a part of the Nocatee family for many years now. And again, being one of the builders left to finish out this amazing master plan community.
Yeah, as we pan around this owner's bathroom, again, attention to detail, all the upgrades you're expecting in a home of this caliber, they're all here. So it's just finished so well. Carly, did you get the ceiling? Maybe you already got it. Yeah, so you got even shiplap on your owner's suite tray. The detail just keeps coming. And always worth mentioning your own thermostat just for your master bedroom, or your owner's suite. What a great tool to, again, increase efficiency and, most importantly, your comfort.
And if you're looking to find this particular home, you can go to Nocatee.com and type in quick move-in, and this particular home, along with the other Providence Homes quick move-ins, are available. And if you want to see where Reflections is located, I want to remind you to go to explorenocatee.com, and you can see the location of Reflections at Seabrook. And a great thing to mention is Reflections, starting in the first of the year, is going to be getting their greenway trail to connect to the amenity complex. Construction is starting. So residents of Reflections will actually be one of the 3rd closest single-family communities to the water parks, where the farmers market is held at Nocatee Station Field. We've got the farmers market going on the 3rd Saturday every month, food truck Fridays, wine tastings, beer tastings. There's so much for you to do once you are a Nocatee resident. So you'll just jump on that greenway trail, and we're excited that it's going to connect to Reflections.
I mean, what a convenience, and what a fantastic little ride to get to the heart of Nocatee. So upstairs we have 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and then an open flex space or a loft. So you've got almost like a whole nother house up here, but plenty of space. All the bedrooms are large. This bedroom features an ensuite bath.
Can we peek in there, Carling, real quick? So 2 of the bedrooms share a full bath, and as Carling's going in there, this particular room, favorite child, of course, they get their own bathroom.
Yeah.
Great views throughout, though, lots of natural light again. And when you come in Reflections, you actually just take your first left. So this home is also very close to their playground. Reflections has its own playground here, but also you're right down the road from Seabrook Park. So less than 2 miles from a 7,000 square foot pool, sun shelves, dog parks.
Yeah.
So you've got it all.
That's
so
fantastic.
I'm excited. Providence Homes by Bill Seller, you once again knocked it out of the park. Thank you so much. Call
you.
Mark today. Call Mark.
Thank you,
Bye,
guys.
guys. Bye.